We are going to draw an octopus character. He is so fun, but look what we got to think about. We've got a giant head with giant eyes, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs we've got to fit into this little space. So we're really going to pack them in, but look, we get to really spread them out to fill the page. So let's start drawing. Okay, we're going to start with kind of a line to be the end of the, kind of the bottom of the head. And then we're going to go up and over. I made my kind of off center or lopsided. That's kind of fun. Now I'm going to have big eyes that overlap my head, which means I'm going to have to get rid of that middle line because I can't have that in the middle of my eye. There we go. And for the eyeballs or the little pupils in there, I've got one here and one here, and it's so fun if those are a little off center too. Let's give him a little mouth right away. Okay, now when I'm going to put on 8 legs, I'm going to kind of make a mark right in the middle because I'm going to get 4 on this side and 4 on this side. So I'm going to start over here, and you can turn your paper if you need to because he's kind of curved. So I'm going to get 1. It's fatter at the end and it's going to get skinny. When it goes back up, that's how I'm going to fit them all in here. Ready? Number 2, out, but get it back in there and get slender. Now the third one, out, and back in again. There. Now my fourth one, I can't fit here, which I planned, but I'm going to kind of overlap that. I'm going to start over here because he's kind of behind the octopus. And then we're just going to tuck it back in like it was behind there. Okay, we need some more on this side. So we're going to start here with the next one. This one's still kind of turning this way. Okay, now we're going to kind of flip and swing it going the other direction. Ready? We got to tuck it in tight, but we're going to swing out and back in. I can fit one more, and then I'm going to hide another one again. Out and in. There we go. Now we got one more. We're going to swing up high like this one does. I'm going to start here and go way up and around and back down. There he is, happy octopus. Now we're going to put some pattern. I'm just going to put some circles on mine. You put whatever pattern you want. I'm not going to put it everywhere. I'm going to be very strategic about it. The top, another circle, a smaller circle. So it's kind of good to vary the sizes. And I'm going to put a few on the underside of his tentacles. There we go. And again, even here I varied my sizes. You know, 3, 2, whatever. Maybe these are the tops and I can't see them. Here's some more. Couple more, this time 2, this time 3. Fun to change it up. Small, medium, small. Okay, we did our octopus. But now I want to put some Sharpie on him, and I'm going to go really fast on this. I'm going to fast forward it, but I want you to stay around because I'm going to have some fun color ideas. This guy is going to be adorable in color. Ready? Let's outline. There he is. Now, first I want to say, notice how I kept turning my paper. It's kind of one of those little art tricks that you learn that make life so much easier. Now, before we put the color on, you always want to erase your pencil lines. Okay, now remember, we always blow off or wipe off all the crumbs off the drawing. We don't want to get that in our marker or in our colored pencil. Okay, he's all clean and he's ready for color. Here we go. So cute, he's adorable. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.